first trip outside after a good rain this afternoon. And of course he's got to go walk straight through the hole. Hopefully he'll take a leak on something other than the puddle. He looks like he's lining up. There we go. This isn't about watching the puppy go potty. It's to see how much of this water puddle he goes trooping through. I think he's going to take the land bars to get back. He walked straight through it on the way out there. But I'm not going to let him in because I got to wipe him down, so let him go find that dry spot out there on the concrete.